Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter X. Something went wrong. In this video, I will show you easy and simple way to fix the problem. Just follow the step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. Then turn your Wi-Fi for a few seconds. Turn your Wi-Fi for a few seconds. Then turn on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that's not working, turn your airplane mode for a few seconds. Then turn it off again. And the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs. And the only step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, open Play Store or App Store. Then tap on search and search for the app. Then tap on update option if it is available. Old version may not work properly. So the another step is check server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side. The app server may be down, and wait for some time and try again. Many users also may face the same issues. So the another step is clearing app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. So go to phone setting, tap on apps and app management, then go to apps or app list, then search for the app and click clear cache. Clearing cache, this remove temporary files causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, install the app, uninstall the app, restart your phone, and install the app again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.